Despite Jamaica's worst run in a Gold Cup since 2011, the coaching staff is optimistic about Jamaica's chances of impressing in the upcoming World Cup qualifiers, which kicks off in September. Simon Preston reports.
Sunday's 1-0 defeat to the Americans meant the Jamaicans missed out on their fourth straight Gold Cup semi-final. Coach Whitmore admits the squad needs improvement, but stresses there were positives to take from the tournament.
The signs are positive going into the World Cup qualifiers. With what we have, we know we need additional reinforcement. Again, as I said before, we need some presence inside the opponent 18-yard box. And I think we miss out on that because I don't think the team played that badly to what people are saying, but I just think we didn't make use of our chances, and at this critical moment at international football, we have to turn the half chances into chances. We see where we miss out on a lot of clear-cut chances as well.
Assistant coach Paul Hall agrees.
I mean, I remember going through this process in '98. We lost in the semi-finals at that point, and we came back and qualified a few months later. So I'm kind of thinking on those lines, and I just hope that we can go and maybe get the strongest possible squad together so that we can go and attack those other countries, both here and abroad.
With the likes of Mikel Antonio, Kemar Roof, Kevin Stewart and others set to join the national programme soon, Hall stresses that players will be picked on their performances and not on reputation.
It's just the ones who are in form. Like I said, it's the ones who are in form at that particular time. It's not necessarily names, because names can sometimes not be the answer. But sometimes names can be the answer. So it's about assembling the best possible team that we can to get and go and attack that World Cup campaign.
The Reggae Boyz will open their World Cup qualifying campaign on September 2 against Mexico at the Azteca Stadium. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.